Welcome back to the deep dive. Really excited about today's topic.
Me too. It's something that's definitely on everyone's mind in the investment world, how AI is reshaping our roles.
You got it. And welcome back to AI for Allocators, the deep dive where Sean Ung brings you LP-centric insights, helping you navigate this whole AI era.
And remember, this series is AI generated based on his original blog posts.
That's right. For the full articles, all the supporting resources, just visit Sean's LinkedIn page. Today, we're really zeroing in on a powerful idea from one of Sean's articles, AI will change your job.
It's less a prediction, more like a guide, wouldn't you say?
Totally. And it kicks off with that really sharp insight from Jensen Huang, NVIDIA's CEO.
Oh yeah, the one where he says AI won't take your job.
Right, but someone who knows how to use AI will.
And Sean argues that nails it for capital allocators. It's not about replacement, it's evolution.
Exactly. He believes successful allocators, well, they'll inevitably go through three key phases in their AI journey.
And crucially, these are phases of experience, yeah? Not like some
Right.
rigid AI roadmap you just follow step by step.
Precisely. It's about how your capabilities, how your team's experience with AI matures over time, not a checklist.
Which makes sense. It emphasizes that continuous growth.
So let's jump into phase one. Amplify individual impact. This is basically about partnership, human and AI working together.
Right. Think about AI's strengths.
Yeah.
Analyzing huge data sets, spotting subtle patterns, summarizing complex stuff at superhuman speed.
Which then frees up the allocator, right?
Exactly. It empowers you to focus on those uniquely human, high-value tasks, building real trust with managers.
Understanding the nuance in negotiations.
Exercising that sophisticated judgment to build genuinely resilient portfolios, things AI can't replicate.
Imagine AI crunching through like a decade of manager financials, instantly flagging weird fees or risks, stuff that takes us weeks.
So the core skill here becomes what? Effective prompt engineering.
Yeah, basically knowing how to ask AI the right questions, how to frame instructions to get truly actionable insights for your investments.
And just as important, critically assessing what the AI spits out. You can't just take it at face value.
Absolutely. Okay, so once individuals are amplified, what's next? Phase two.
Phase two is reinvent investment workflows. This is where you scale that human-AI partnership across the whole team.
And it involves first principles thinking, kind of rethinking processes from the ground up.
Exactly. Stepping back and asking, okay, if AI can do X, Y, and Z, what's the best way to evaluate this fund now? Maybe it's real-time sentiment analysis, not just static reports.
You're reimagining the entire investment assembly line.
Right, freeing up the team's brain power for what really matters, collective debate, building genuine conviction, navigating those really complex negotiations.
And Sean connects this, in his other writing, to some foundational tech moves, doesn't he?
He does. You absolutely need a well-organized data library and what he calls a digitized firm brain.
A firm brain, like an intelligent repository of everything the firm knows. Data, insights, past interactions.
You got it. Dynamically updated. So AI can actually connect the dots across different asset classes, giving you that holistic view.
Okay, that makes sense. Then we get to phase three. Invent new value. This sounds ambitious.
It is. It's the most speculative phase, looking towards a sort of multi-agent future, specialized AIs collaborating.
Because AI is already squeezing out some traditional alpha sources, right? The easy arbitrage, the data-heavy stuff.
Definitely. AI does that faster and better now. So humans, allocators, need to find new frontiers.
And Sean gives that vivid example, the Vietnam manager.
Yeah. Imagine deploying a whole swarm of specialized AI agents for deep due diligence on a hard-to-find manager in Vietnam.
Wow.
Scouring local news, regulatory filings, social media signals, all in the local language.
Yeah.
Stuff a human team just couldn't realistically do at that scale or speed.
So it's about uncovering completely new types of opportunities.
Exactly. So the core skills shift again here. It becomes about strategic question framing.
And that 0 to 1 problem solving. Seeing entirely new ways to generate alpha, not just improve existing ones.
And then orchestrating the AI ecosystem to actually chase those new ideas.
It's a big shift.
It is. And it's crucial to remember Sean's point that this evolution isn't always, perfectly linear.
Right. Different teams within the same firm might be at different phases.
Precisely. Which is why that cultural foundation from Sean's three-step framework is so vital. It keeps the whole thing moving forward sustainably.
And if you want a deeper dive on that specific framework, you should definitely check out Sean's first audio deep dive. Or you can read the first 5 written blog posts on his LinkedIn.
Good reminder.
So thinking about all this,
Yeah.
What's your take? Do you agree with Jensen Huang's comments when it comes to investment offices? Are there phases we maybe missed?
Uh-huh.
What other futures can you listening envision for allocators? I mean, how do you think AI will really impact allocators? Lots to think about.
Definitely. But the takeaway feels clear. The future really belongs to those who learn how to harness AI. It's actually a pretty exciting journey ahead for LPs willing to adapt.
Well said. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, maybe share it with a colleague, and definitely visit Sean's LinkedIn for more tools and free templates to help your team make smarter AI decisions.
And feel free to reach out to him directly, too, with any questions or thoughts you have.
Let AI work for you. Let AI be your edge.